Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA, and I believe when you're just starting out as a virtual assistant, or if nagsistart ka pa lang na maghanap ng mga work from home jobs, is you should take as much interview as you can. Yung tipong kahit hindi ka qualified for the job, as long as ma-invite ka for the interview, is you should go with it, or you should attend the interview. So for me, when I was starting out na naghahanap ako ng unang work from home job ko, is nag-a-apply ako sa napakaraming mga job postings. Yung tipong kahit hindi ako fully qualified, is nag-a-apply pa rin ako. So basta at least meron lang ako ng at least one sa mga requirements nila, is nag-a-apply na ako. And I don't really overthink too much, and hindi ko nire-reject yung sarili ko, pinapabayaan ko sila na sila mismo yung mag-reject sa akin. So, there was this one time na merong job posting sa onlinejobs.ph, and then yung hinahanap nila is a bank reconciliation specialist. So, meron din doon mga list ng requirements na hinahanap nila. And I believe meron doon requirement na dapat merong at least 2 years experience with US taxation. Kasi parang kasi at the same time na magpa-process ka ng bank reconciliation, is magpa-process ka rin ata ng tax-related na mga stuff. So, kaya yun ang hinahanap nila. Pero, for me, on my previous job kasi, is nagpa-process ako ng bank reconciliation. But, this is for an Australian client, and hindi na ako nagpa-process ng taxes. So, dito sa job posting na in-applyan ko, it's a bank reconciliation specialist na role for a US company, and dapat merong 2 years na experience with US taxation. So for me, I don't have that, pero I know I can process bank reconciliation dahil nagawa ko yun on my previous job. Kaya nag-submit ako ng application doon sa trabaho na yun, or sa posting na yun. And then after a few days, is actually naka-receive ako ng invite, and yung title nga nung company na yun, or hindi title, yung pangalan ng company na yun is The Guiding Stars LLC. So, virtual assistant agency siya. So, pwede nyo ma-search kung gusto nyo. So, in-invite nila ako for interview. And I was happy with it, but I really don't have any expectations when it comes to interviews. For me, yung mindset ko is I just like, or I love attending interviews, kasi napapractice ko yung interview skills ko, yung English skills ko, and then yung communication skills ko at the same time. So for me, interviews are just like side quest for me. If I get the job, that's great. If I don't get the job, at least I get to practice my interview skills, or the way I answer sa interviews. Kasi interviews can be very, very unpredictable. Meron talaga mga out of the blue na mga questions. So, kahit gaano pa katagal diyan yung pagre-review mo ng mga basic interview questions, when andun ka na talaga sa interview, is there will be questions that you haven't prepared for. So, yung pagsagot mo talaga is on the top of your head na lang. So, depende sa'yo kung paano mo sasagutin. So, ayan, balik tayo dun sa bank reconciliation na role na in-applyan ko. And I got invited sa interview dun sa Guiding Stars LLC. And ayun, I was explaining what my job, or what my role was on my previous job, and what I do. So I explained yung bank reconciliation stuffs na ginagawa ko for my previous client. And yun, dumating sa point na nagtanong nga ako, meron akong experience about US taxation. But yeah, I don't have that. And ayun, and after ng interview na yun, sabi nun sa akin is mag-i-email sila for the result within 2 weeks. Pero hindi na ako naka-hear back dun sa company na yun. And ayun, ginost nila ako. And for me, it's still a win, kasi na-practice ko pa rin yung English speaking skills ko, yung interview skills ko, and meron din mga unexpected na mga questions doon. Pero I'm happy that I was able to like ayun nga, practice yung interview skills ko. Ayun talaga yung ginagawa ko. I really enjoy doing that. And for me kasi sa mga interviews ko, wala akong expectations na makukuha ko eh. So, pag na-hire talaga ako, I'm very happy. Pero pag ginost ako or hindi na ako naka-hear back is I'm also fine with it kasi nakapag-practice ako ng interview skills ko. So that is how I look at things for me. So for you, if you're just starting out as a virtual assistant, so I would suggest taking as much interviews as you can, and then walain mo yung expectations mo na matatanggap ka pag meron kang interview kasi that's far from the truth. And I have attended a lot of interviews na hindi na ako naka-hear back and nag-ghost ako. But I don't take that personally. For me, it's just business. And if really qualified ako or if okay yung pagsagot ko with interviews is matatanggap ako. Pero I go in the interviews jolly. I hop on the interviews jolly and ready to answer any questions, but I don't have any expectations to be hired after that interview. Uh, Ayan, again, take as much interview as you can and walain mo yung mga expectations mo. Basta ma-practice mo lang yung interviewing or interview skills mo yung pagsagot mo. And eventually, you'll get client. Eventually. Mangyayari talaga yun. Inevitable yun. As long as you keep going and you become consistent with it. And again, this is Socially Awkward VA, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.